Hi, my name is Jennifer Gomez. This video is about the importance of understanding the self in my future career as a successful automotive mechanic. Firstly, understanding myself, you can set realistic and achievable career goals, whether you aspire to become a master technician, a specialist in electric vehicles, or a manager in the automotive industry. Self-awareness helps you align your goals with your skills, interests, and values. As an automotive mechanic, the role you play is crucial in keeping vehicles running smoothly and ensuring the safety of drivers and passengers on the road. Your expertise in diagnosing, repairing, and maintaining vehicles is vital to the functioning of the automotive industry. First and foremost, the primary responsibility of automotive mechanic is to inspect, diagnose, and repair vehicles to ensure they are optimal working condition, whether it's performing routine maintenance tasks like oil change and tire rotations, or tackling complex repairs such as engine overhauls or electrical system troubleshooting. Your role as a mechanic is essential in keeping vehicles on the road and preventing breakdowns that could jeopardize safety. To excel, the profession automotive mechanics must possess a diverse skill set that includes technical expertise, problem-solving abilities, attention to detail, and manual dexterity from using diagnostic tools to identity issues to applying mechanical knowledge to fix problems efficiently. Mechanics rely on their skills to deliver high-quality revise to customer and uphold industry. However, the challenges of being an automotive mechanic are outweighed by the rewards and satisfaction that come with the job. The ability to troubleshoot and solve mechanical problems, the sense of accomplishment when successfully repairing a vehicle, and the gratitude of satisfied customers are all aspects that make this profession fulfilling and gratifying. Moreover, the opportunity to work with cutting-edge technology, stay current with industry advancements, and continuously expand your knowledge and expertise and enriching aspects of being an automotive mechanic. And while the automotive industry can be demanding, it's important to prioritize work-life balance to prevent burnout, find ways to unwind outside for work, and take care of your physical and mental being. And that's all about the importance of understanding the self in my future career as a successful automotive mechanic. And that's for all. Thank you.